Hey everyone, Derek WF-8500 here. Today we're going to clear up a little confusion when it comes to your 85 and 9500 power centers, especially when replacing a main board. On our old 85 and 9500 products, we had what we call an AC sensing board. This piece was needed for that product to work. Your AC sensing board was right here on your product. What this indicated was low voltage, good voltage, and high voltage. When replacing a main board, you no longer need that board that was essential. So when you replace your main board, you would pull out the board and you'll notice on a new board that piece no longer has a spot for it to plug into. So if there's no spot to plug into, you can just take this old AC sensing board and throw it away. It is no longer needed. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please visit us at wfgotech.com.